How to set frequency limit in Delta VFD-B drive. For upper limit frequency, you set parameter in 1-07 and for lower limit 1-08. Those two parameters for limiting frequency, and acceleration frequency parameter is for acceleration time 1-09. Here we set acceleration time 5 seconds and deceleration time parameter 1-10. We set here 1 second deceleration time. That's mean inverter will run within 5 seconds from lower limit frequency to higher limit frequency, and inverter will stop within 1 second higher limit to lower limit frequency. So this is the way to setting frequency limit and acceleration deceleration time. You can increase or decrease deceleration and acceleration time. We increase here deceleration time 10 seconds. Now inverter will run lower limit to higher limit with 5 seconds and stop taking time 10 seconds, because of we change deceleration time 1 to 10 seconds. Actually, acceleration and deceleration time are related to lower limit to higher limit frequency up and down. It's maintaining to control the induction motor speed.